Hey there guys, Chet here. InVision Studio had powerful features, a beautiful interface, and the backing of a huge company. So why did it die? Why is it being shut down while other tools thrive? That's the real question that we're answering today in this final review and analysis of the once great design platform. So what was InVision Studio supposed to be? Now, for years, the company InVision was famous for its online prototyping platform, which worked with another design tool called Sketch. InVision Studio was their big attempt to create their own all-in-one application that could do everything. It was meant to handle designing, prototyping, and creating advanced animations all in one single place. It was designed to be their direct competitor to Figma. Its biggest strength was that it was a very powerful desktop application with some impressive features, especially for creating complex animations and transitions between your screens. So what went wrong? The main reason is that the entire design industry shifted to a new way of working. The future was not on the desktop, it was online. A tool called Figma came along and offered real-time, browser-based collaboration that was faster and easier for teams really than anything else. An entire team could work in the same file at the same time, which was revolutionary. While InVision Studio was a good desktop app, it could not compete with the collaborative power and accessibility of Figma. The design community quickly moved over to Figma as the new industry standard. This led to the inevitable announcement in early 2024. InVision announced it would be shutting down its entire suite of design tools, including InVision Studio, by the end of the year. So what's the final review of InVision Studio? It was an ambitious and powerful tool with some really great automation features. It represents a specific moment in time in the history of design software, but because it is now a disconnected product, it is not a tool that anyone should learn or use for any new projects. All of the jobs, community support, and the new developments have moved to other platforms, primarily Figma. All right, that's it for this look back at InVision Studio. I hope this explains the history and the current situation of the once promising tool. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.